None other than our Beshka Bashir.
Yeah. Yeah, Beshka Bashir. Yeah.
Okay.
In the YouTube channel is one gadam.
Yes. We did the Truth or Dare challenge. We plan to show. Now, everyone Beshka support Beshka channel, subscribe, bell icon button, like, message, comments, everyone support. Hi, hello, welcome to Beshka Bashir channel. Today I am hosting this show for Beshka Bashir. My name is Nami. I'm from India.
But you forget when I'm opening first time in the video, I say, hi, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. It's me, Beshka Bashir. Welcome my YouTube channel. You have to say like
yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
I
you say
to
hi.
Assalamu alaikum, right?
Assalamu alaikum.
So, assalamu alaikum for all the viewers. We, Beshka
Today we are
Bashir and Nami Napoleon.
Yeah.
Today we are hosting this show for you guys.
Okay.
Hope you will enjoy this show with us.
Yeah, show. No, yeah, no problem. We can say also show. Guys, today we are going to do truth or dare, right?
Yes.
Question. I will ask question, then you have to answer the truth.
Yeah, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. First question. أصحابته. I will explain to my language. أصحابته ما أنتوا حاربنا إنا سمينا أو سؤاله أو ندين دونا وحال روا مركا إلي كجوابتو سؤالها سيد الصح ذا إنا يوجه بتال روا مركا كلي سؤالها كلي إنجليش يكون بحث دونان مركا كلي نلا الصعدو. Okay, first question.
My heartbeat is getting.
Okay, who is your secret crush?
That's always will be secret. My secret crush name will start with A.
Okay. If I could be invisible, what is the first thing you will do?
I will go to Paris because Paris is my dream place. Because of Corona, I cannot go there. So if I get a chance to be invisible, first thing I will go to Paris.
Paris,
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what is the most embarrassing music you are listening to?
Music?
Yeah, embarrassing music.
A.R. Rahman, the pride of India.
A.R. Rahman.
Yes.
I hear it. His
the
name, but I
Oscar
don't know.
winner. Pride of India.
You don't listen Kumar
Rahman.
Kumar Sanu?
Yes, but I like A.R. Rahman
A.R.
song.
Rahman.
So all viewers,
What
you
about
should
Rahil
watch
Fatali? Rahil Fatali, or I hear his name? I don't know.
Yeah, I also heard, but I'm not sure about that name. Sorry.
Okay. You choose A.R. Rahman.
Yeah, A.R. Rahman.
What is your biggest regret? Biggest regret?
Regret?
Yeah.
I don't have any regret in my life.
Why?
That's the success of my life.
Oh, mashallah.
If you regret about anything, you cannot success in your life.
Yeah, that's true, guys.
That's true.
Yeah. Okay, what is the most food you have ever eaten in a single sitting? Single sitting. Yeah, means most food. Always you eat with the most food in a single eating.
KFC.
Oh, KFC?
Pizza. Burger. Rice. Chicken. Mutton.
Oh,
beef,
you choose
all.
a lot.
Yes.
Why? I
I'm
say
a
only.
foodie. I'm a foodie.
You foodie, yeah?
Yes.
You like food, I know you.
Yes. That's
Okay.
a fact.
Yeah. Okay.
Ask.
Wait. I'm checking hard question, guys. I'm checking hard question.
See, he's going to make me in
Okay.
trouble.
Yeah. What was the last time you lied? What the last time you lied?
Right?
Yeah. You tell someone lie.
Just, I think 10 minutes ago, I told Beshka Bashir,
Okay.
you look so handsome. You know? That was the last
lie. That's true. Yeah. Guys, is that lie or true? Just please comment. Okay. Okay, guys, I have a hard question. Okay. What animal do you think you most look like? Which animal you look like?
Lion.
You look like that. Yeah.
Because I am a Leo. I born on August.
Okay.
So my zodiac sign is lion, and I have lion tattoo over here,
Okay.
and my hair also
Looks like
a lion.
Lion said, huh?
So I like lion.
Okay. How many selfie do you take in a day? Yeah.
Minimum 10 to 15.
In one day, you take minimum 10 to 15?
Yes.
Oh, really? Yes. Okay, guys. What? Okay, what was your favorite childhood show?
Childhood show.
Yeah. Childhood show, guys.
It's Jungle Book or something like that.
Jungle
The
Book?
guy in
Jungle Book coming this 2020. I
no,
saw
when-
childhood. Yeah.
When I was 12 years
When-
or 10 years,
Yeah.
we had a show in India. It's like Jungle Book.
Jungle Book.
Mowgli, you know.
Mowgli.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was my favorite childhood show.
Who is your biggest fear? What's your biggest-
Lizards.
Lizard?
Lizards, you know.
Lizard?
Yeah.
You don't afraid cockroach?
No, cockroach. I don't have any afraid of cockroach, but
Okay.
I'm scared about this one. Lizards.
Okay.
That's my biggest fear in my life.
Okay, wait. I'm checking hard
See,
question. Okay, who's your celebrity crush?
Celebrity
Yeah.
crush.
Bashka Bashir.
It's none other than our Bashka Bashir.
Yeah. Yeah, Bashka Bashir. Huh? Okay. Okay, what is your worst habit?
Happy.
Habit. What's the habit?
Most happy.
Worst, not most, worst.
Worst
Yeah.
habit.
Yeah.
Habit, the worst habit.
Worst habit.
I think I don't have any
Worst
worst
habit?
habit. Yes.
Don't have?
Yeah.
Sure?
Alhamdulillah, I don't have any worst habit.
Okay. That question we will leave it, guys. What is your biggest secret?
Because secret
Yeah.
will be always secret, right?
Always secret?
So I don't want to disclose here.
Okay. What is your favorite animal?
Favorite animal?
Don't say
Actually,
lion. You already chose the lion.
Yeah.
We need another.
I think
your favorite
dog.
dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
You don't
I
like,
don't like much. Like I don't like pets.
Cat you don't like?
No.
Why?
When I see cats, I feel like goosebumps. I don't like cats.
Okay. Okay. Okay, wait. Top 3.
See, he's choosing
Right.
more hard questions for me
Yeah.
to making me in trouble.
Yeah, guys. You say okay, I will stop it. Class enough, I
Okay.
think. Huh?
Thank you.
The last question I'm asking. Wait. No, thank you. I have one last question. Okay, if I give you $100,000, 100,000, not million, only 100,000. First thing you will do, tell me. First thing you get the 100,000, then first thing you do. You don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know if you get $100,000, then first thing what you do?
Yeah, first thing maybe I will buy a flat in Kerala.
Flat in Kerala.
Yeah.
Then after
After that, I will travel a lot.
you will travel a lot. Only
like
the
to-
100,000 money in traveling.
Yes.
Only?
Yes.
Then 1 month.
I don't have much, much wishes. I don't have. I'm
okay.
happy with what I have.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm really satisfied with this life.
Okay.
I don't want anything more. So
This
I'm
one
happy
enough.
with this.
No,
Yeah.
everyone we are happy this
Yeah.
one. But if in case you got in one
I
time,
will travel. I will travel.
you will travel.
Yeah.
Class. Yeah,
I will
that's
travel,
it. Yeah. Only travel.
Yes.
Guys, this challenge I think we do in the first time maybe little, not as much like we do the first
Yeah.
challenge kill and choose, because this one we just try in first time.
Just now we prepared for this
Just
one,
we
so
prepare also.
we are not planned about
yeah,
this
we are
one.
not planned on this challenge to do today, but
Yes.
just because we need to make video, that's why we choose this challenge.
Yeah.
By the way, if you like, really don't forget to subscribe our channel and make sure to share this video with your friends. Nemi,
Yeah.
What do you say about my friend in your language? Malayalam. We need Malayalam.
ഇന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾ ചെയ്ത ട്രൂത്ത് ഓർ ഡെയർ ചാലഞ്ചിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്യാതെ ചെയ്തൊരു ഷോ ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും ഇത് കാണുക, ബഷ്കയെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക, ബഷ്കയുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ബെല്ലൈക്കൻ ബട്ടൺ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, മെസ്സേജ് അയക്കുക, കമൻറ്റ്സ് അയക്കുക, എല്ലാവരും സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്.
Lagiya. What is that one? Means?
Like.
Yeah, if I want to say in Malayalam, can you teach me welcome to my YouTube channel Bashka Bashir in Malayalam?
എൻ്റെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
In the
യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. വെൽക്കം ടു മൈ ചാനൽ.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the YouTube channel Swagadam.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
and
it.
for thanks we are saying നന്ദി. എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി.
Ellavarkum nanni.
Okay.
Nanni means thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys.
Okay guys,
I'm
hope
just a
you
prank.
like the video.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
support us. Thank
Our
you so
channel
much.
and see you next time.
Video.
And we hope you ma'asalama. Peace and love.
Masala. Peace out.
Yeah, peace and love.